Suppose you have a list of text strings which include some leading zeros, and now you want to remove all the leading zeros from the text strings. You can see text strings in column A which have leading zeros. There is no direct way to remove leading zeros from strings, but you can use the following formula. Where A2 is the cell that you want to remove the leading zeros, substitute 0 with the empty string and use trim to remove extra leading spaces. Use the left function to extract the first character after leading zeros, which is 1 in this case. Then use the find function to get the position of the character in A2, which is 6. Subtract that value from length of A2, which is 21 in this case. This will give the length of string not including the leading zeros and the first character after the leading zeros. Now add 1 to that value to include the first character and pass that value as number of characters to the write function. The write function extracts the given number of characters from the write. This will remove only the leading zeros and extra spaces from the string. Copy the formula down using the fill handle. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.